SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to set the Bluetooth device type on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, it's important to note that not every Bluetooth device you pair with your iPhone is going to have this option. So if you follow these steps and you don't see a device type option, then that means that that specific Bluetooth device does not allow you to set the type of device that it is. So with that in mind, if you would like to set the device type for a Bluetooth device on your iPhone, then you need to open the Settings app. You can then choose the Bluetooth option near the top of the screen, and then you can tap the I button to the right of the Bluetooth device for which you would like to set a device type. Now you're going to see that there's a device type button at the top of the screen, so if you select that, then you're going to be able to choose from a bunch of different options for that specific device. In my case, this is a Bluetooth speaker, so I'm going to select that. Note that whatever you select here can adjust the way that this device appears for certain apps and the different options that you have for controlling that device. As I mentioned earlier, not every Bluetooth device is going to have this. For example, if I select this one, there's no Bluetooth or no device type option there. But if I come back here and select this one, then I can select device type, and I will also have the choice of choosing the type of Bluetooth device that was.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.